Hi everyone, you're watching Gadget Zone. In this video I am going to unbox the Energizer Power Max P6005. I know that all you are familiar with Energizer battery. So now you are looking the mobile device. It comes with 4G LTE Android 7.0, 30 plus 5 megapixel camera and MediaTek processor, and with a huge 4500 mAh battery, the Energizer battery. So let's start the unboxing. The box brings more premium-like experience, an Energizer logo. So let's keep it in a side. The device. The back is little bit shiny. So let's peel it. Power it on. So let's keep the device in a side and let's check the box. What's come with it? A screen protected glass. So thicky. Manual guide. Earphone. It seems to be very nice. I will try to review the quality of earbuds later. So now we can check the device. Let's go skip. I'm just skipping all these procedures. Nice wallpaper with Energizer logo. So let's check the version of Android. Android 7.1 Nougat version. We can check the battery, the main reason why you want to buy this device. The device comes with 4500 mAh battery. The company claims that the battery will last for 2 days. The storage. So let's check the camera quality. I feel that the camera quality is somewhat okay. You will be fine with this camera. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing. See you in another video.